Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. Our client assigned a new task. The title of assignment is Shelly Cashman, Excel 2019 Module 11, SAM Project 1B. This is the assignment of financial accounting. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen with full instructions to understand the problem. This assignment is divided into multiple steps. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Step 1. Setup. Open and save the Excel file. Ensure your name is in the right cell and add the Developer tab if needed. Step 2. Service sheet. Add a formatted title, edit, delete comments, and insert a review comment as instructed. Step 3. Custom theme. Create a new theme with specific colors and fonts for consistency. Step 4. Sales history. Format sales numbers and add sparklines to visualize changes over years. Step 5. Chart. Label service categories on the annual sales chart.
Step 6. Custom views. Set up views for specific service categories and for printing. Step 7. Survey. Complete survey questions, link the address, and add option buttons/checkbox with formatting. Step 8. Macros. Add buttons to clear data and print surveys, adjusting their appearance. Step 9. Compatibility and protection. Check compatibility. Protect the workbook and mark it as final. If you need our help, we provide 2 types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have, but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 9655 268 or log into our website helpinhomework.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.